You've probably heard this one after a loud pop. My back was out of alignment. People crack their back, feel relief, and assume something snapped back into place. It feels mechanical, like joints shifted and got fixed. But here's what's really happening. That popping sound isn't bones moving back into position. It's gas bubbles releasing inside the fluid around your joints. The relief comes from stretching muscles and stimulating nerves, not realignment. Your spine isn't slipping in and out of place during normal movement. If backs were constantly out of alignment, everyday motion would be dangerous. It isn't. So why does cracking feel so good? Before this gets misunderstood, let's be clear. If something in your back actually moves out of place, that's a medical issue, and cracking won't fix it. But everyday stiffness or tightness? That's muscles and joints needing movement. Here's the simple takeaway. Cracking your back can feel good. It just doesn't realign anything. If you want a healthier back, focus on movement, strength, and mobility, not chasing pops. Relief doesn't always mean repair. What should we debunk next?